big contract. That's not bad then. 10 per. So Sample, you see any snow there, or is it just cold? I like to see something nice with the Angels come out. Yeah, I don't like this cold weather in spring. Not a fan. Not a fan at all, cold weather. Good, hopefully it melts away. I don't like it, especially during the winter or during springtime. Cold and snowing after spring break, I don't like it. Okay guys, we're going to do the 3-box Diamond Kings 18 baseball. It was $15 a spot. You got 2 random teams. This is the last of the Diamond Kings we have in stock. We are completely sold out Diamond Kings. We're basically sold out of anything right now that has Ohtani autos in it. Diamond Kings, Heritage, Gypsy Queen. I think I've got a couple boxes of Donruss left, which Brady Garrett, if you jump on here, I need to contact you. I saw this morning you messaged that you wanted a box of Donruss shipped. So here's everybody that's in this break. We have Wendell. We have Aaron Sample. We have Frank Perez, Nathan Alessi, Chad Treadway, Ricky Rimpley, Nathan Alessi with 3 more, Keith Howard, Sample with 3, Dante with 1, and James Good with 1. So that's the guys in the break. You will get 2 randomly assigned teams. Of course, Angels are the big one that everybody's after. We're going to do our best to hunt down some more 18 baseball this week that has chances at Ohtani autographs. Here we go. 2 times. I gotta duplicate my list real quick. Hang on. If we're gonna do 2 teams, I gotta have a duplicated list. Alright, there we go. Alright, guys, 2 times. 1 and 2. We got Nathan A on top, and we've got Keith H on bottom. Randomized list 2 times. Yeah, huge money right now on Angel stuff. Just seems to get higher and higher and higher on autos. Alright, now our teams. List of our teams 2 times. 1 and 2. Cubs on top, Braves on bottom. Randomized list 2 times. Let's go through teams real quick. Here's what you got. Nathan A, Cubs. James G, Rays. Dante, Nationals. Sample, Orioles, Tigers, Diamondbacks. James G, Padres. Wendell, White Sox. Frank P, Marlins. Sample, Red Sox. Ricky, Mariners. Wendell, Brewers. Ricky, Royals. Nathan A with the Angels. Chad T, Blue Jays. Sample, Pirates. Frank P, Rockies. Sample with the Mets and Reds. Nathan A with the Yankees, Twins, and Phillies. Keith H with the Athletics. Dante, Dodgers. Chad T, Cardinals. Nathan A, Rangers. Nathan A, Indians. Nathan A, Astros. And Keith H with the Braves. There they are. Let me get it printed real quick. Okay, guys. There's your teams. We're going to go ahead and break. I'll show it to you one more time. We have quite a few other breaks posted. A couple that are just down to 3 or 4 spots, I believe. 5 spots. Some elite football. Some leaf and metal football. Let me go ahead and slide these over so we got plenty of room. Alright, guys. Good luck. I haven't seen an Ohtani auto out of Diamond Kings in the shop. We've gone through quite a bit. We did have sold through a case Saturday, so it's possible something was pulled. I just haven't heard from anybody yet. Let's see who's ready. So Diamond Kings, if you're not familiar with it, it's a 12-pack box. It's not licensed because it's a Panini product. There are Mickey Mantle items in here because Panini now has a Mantle contract. Obviously, what everybody's after is Ohtani stuff. Bregman. That's the red version. Red border. Miguel Cabrera insert. We got Ohtani batting right off the bat. And then, of course, obviously has Ohtani stuff. Mantle relics. Mantle. I believe there's a Mantle cut in here, but I think it got pulled this weekend in Colorado. Pretty sure. Alright, let's see. Musial Base, Goldschmidt, Clemente. Any of the short prints or anything, because they're always turned around backwards, I'll set off to the side. That way you'll have an idea that these are the, when you get just what looks like a base card, you'll know if it's a short print variation. Uh-oh, we got an Ohtani backwards. Sepia version of Ohtani. So right off the bat, Nathan A. with the Angels is doing quite well. Judge base. Let me pull this out. Get that one taken care of. So that's the sepia version of him batting. Robles got hurt the other night. Another Ohtani. Jeez. Pitching version. 3 Ohtanis and 4 packs. All different. And this was probably going to be our odd O in this first box. Ramel Tapia for the Rockies. Rockies looks like Frank P. with the Tapia auto. There's a Mickey Mantle base card in the back. Not number Tapia. This is a 3-box break, so it'll take a few minutes to break this. Donaldson, Bellinger insert, Trophy Club. Two football products this week with the Sage Hit High Series and the Contenders Draft. Freddie Freeman backwards, so that's going to be a short print of some sort. Nolan Ryan Portraits insert. Billy Herman, red border. Gwynn, Trout base. So check out the site. We'll try to get some stuff posted too on the website today from stuff I bought at the show. If not, that'll definitely go on tomorrow. And I'll also get some of that posted to Facebook as well. Our main Facebook page. Still missing our relic out of here. Backwards, Frank Thomas will be a short print. See, it's the Big Hurt. It's the nickname short print. A-Rod 500 Club. Red border George Brett. That's cool. Go on the Royals. Mike Trout Trophy Club. Still waiting on our relic in this one. Next week will be a huge week in product as we have Score Football. Those boxes in the hobby. This is our relic right here. Would appear. Greg Maddux. jersey card, 41 and 99. Maddox. Atlanta Braves is going to Keith H. Keith Howard. We got Score Football next week. Jose Ramirez short print. And we got our 4th Ohtani, the Portraits version insert. We also have Prism World Cup Soccer should be next week. Very hot product back in 2014. It's not guaranteed an auto a box. There's usually one big short print a box or parallel or an auto. But it's loaded with player names. So it's a very big popular product. And then of course 2018 Bowman Baseball comes out next week. That stuff's got Hunter Green autos, the second pick overall from the for the Reds, who pitches and hits, and then of course Ohtani stuff. So 2 big weeks in a row of products between the Contenders Draft Pick Football, the Score Football, the Bowman, and the Prism World Cup. Alright, box 2 of this 3-box break. Bellinger, we got a Bryant backwards. That is red border. Aaron Judge Trophy Club. And then check out the site and the Facebook page. Also snscards.com, the website. If you want to see what other breaks we have available. Honus Wagner portrait. If anything else fills here shortly, we will break those today. We do still have 18 stuff on the shelf. Jose Altuve backwards. That's a sepia short print. Brian Dozier, Gallery of Stars. We still have 18 football on the shelf and Leaf Metal and Elite Draft Picks football as well. Backwards, Austin Hayes. That's the silver border. Rookie number /99. Good looking prospect. Got some power. Biggio Altuve. Past and present. Our hit. Piers. Jackie Robinson Day yesterday, I believe. Baseball. I was gone all day at the show, so I didn't get to see any baseball. And our hit looks like it's going to be, that's all right, Cody Bellinger. Dual jersey, not numbered. Bellinger Dodgers is going to Dante. Has the Dodgers. JD Martinez variation, Eddie Murray insert, 500 Home Run Club. Still missing our auto, Chris Sale, red border, Clayton Kershaw Trophy Club. We haven't had a single Ohtani in this box, we had 4 in the first box. Yadier Molina Aurora insert. Ripken portrait insert. Ohtani, there's a batting one. Joe Cronin. Photo variation. Tony Gwynn, Gallery of Stars. The first Ohtani. Box 2. And our auto is Kyle Farmer, not numbered, plays for the Dodgers. Dodgers Dante. 2 packs left in box number 2. Past and present, Bobby Doerr, Dustin Pedroia for the Red Sox. And last pack of box 2. Bumgardner photo variation. Griffey 500 Home Run Club. Alright, on to box 3 for this break. We won't get these sorted just yet. Probably not until after we close before we get these sorted if you're in this break. Alright guys, box 3, good luck. Let's see something big. Honus Wagner, that is the silver border, 75/99. Hard to see. Jackie Robinson, portrait insert. I believe our Topps Tribute Baseball break has 4 spots left. That break, you're guaranteed a pack. Leo DeRocher, red border. Ernie Banks Rizzo, past and present. Topps Tribute break, $50 spot. Baseball, get a guaranteed pack. We'll randomize which pack you will receive. Every pack has an auto or relic. Chance Cisco, artist proof. Kind of hard to see. Number 99, Orioles prospect. Mark McGwire, 500 Home Run Club. Ohtani pitching, and Ohtani, this is a good one. This is the pitching Japanese nickname, if you see down here. A little harder to get the Japanese version, the nickname version. Same exact card, just different different lettering on the nickname. That's really thick. Really thick. Alright, what we got here? Robles rookie. And we got an RD. That looks like Rafael Devers. That is a jersey and a patch. 2-color patch. 40/49. Devers going to the Red Sox, which is sample. James, you have the Rays, the Padres. That's your 2, Rays and Padres. We haven't hit anything on either team. Rays and Padres. Ichiro backwards. Be a photo variation. Daniel Murphy, Gallery Stars for the Nationals. And here's our auto. We'll save it right there for the end. We got 5 packs left in this box in this break. Babe Ruth, Paul DeJong, red border, Cardinals. Frank Thomas, Jose Abreu, past and present. No problem, man. Aurora, George Springer for the Astros. Harmon Killebrew, 500 Home Run Club. 3 more packs, and then we'll see who our auto is in box number 3. It's a thick one, so that should be good. Backwards, Harry Hooper, short print. And Chris Bryant, Trophy Club. Jim Thorpe, King Griffey Jr. portrait. Oh, missed an auto pack up. Golly, if I grab this last one. Alright, so this is the last one. Then we'll check out the auto, and that'll be it for this break. Make sure you go to snscards.com to look at our other breaks. We have posted or on a Facebook break page. Evan Longoria photo variation in a Giants uniform. Anything fills here shortly, we'll break it today. JD Martinez, Gallery of Stars. And our auto. Don Larson, what do we got? Wagner, Guhara, and our auto. WB. That could be good if it's the Dodger with WB. It is. Walker Buehler. Big time prospect for the Dodgers. Auto, dual jersey, number 31 of 299. I think he's an ex-Tulsa Driller last year. Nice hit. Dodgers is going to, I believe it's Dante. It is indeed Dante. All right, guys. Appreciate everybody on that break. Check out the site, snscards.com, for other breaks. Facebook page. We'll be getting some new stuff we picked up at the show posted, hopefully, shortly. Thanks, guys.